Hello student, in previous lecture we check whether the given statement or given equations are quadratic equation or non-quadratic equation. Now we take some word problem in exercise 4.1. So question number 2. Question number 2 is represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Question number first is the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square and length of the plot is 1 more than the twice of the breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of plot. So in given example, plot is rectangular. In given example, plot is rectangular. Suppose the breadth of this rectangular plot be x, the breadth of rectangular plot be x, then by using second condition, first condition is what? The area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The area of rectangle is length into breadth. By first condition, area of rectangular plot, that is x in suppose by using formula length into breadth is equal to 528 meters square, but we take here the breadth be x, then length of given plot be by second condition, the length of given plot is 1 more than twice the breadth, 1 more than twice the breadth, that is twice the breadth means 2x plus 1 more than, that is 2x plus 1. So length of given rectangular plot be 2x plus 1, because by second condition given here the length of plot is 1 more than twice of the breadth, and we consider here breadth be x. Then by using this, by first condition, area of rectangular plot is L into B is equal to 528 meters square. So value of length be 2x plus 1 and breadth be x is equal to 528 meter square, and here we consider the breadth be x, so we multiply this bracket by x, so x into 2x. Here we consider breadth x, and by using this length is equal to 2x plus 1. So by first condition, area is L into B is equal to 528 meters square, that is length is 2x plus 1 and breadth be x is equal to 528. Then we multiply this bracket by x, then x into 2x, 2x square plus x into 1 x is equals to 528. So we get here equation, we take this 528 left side, 2x square plus x, this 528 becomes minus 528 is equals to 0. So given equation is in the form of p of x is equals to 0, and this p of x having degree 2, that is x exponent of x is 2, that is a degree 2 polynomial. So we call this equation as quadratic equation. Therefore this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Value of a is 2, value of b is 1, and value of c is minus 528. This is belongs to real number. Therefore this is a quadratic equation, that is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore this is quadratic equation. Therefore this is quadratic equation. Next, our example number 2 is the product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. We need to find the integers. So first I explain what is consecutive integers. Consecutive number means the number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, that is 2 3 4, these three are consecutive number. 1 2 3 are consecutive number. That is, when we consider one number be x, then second number be x plus 1 and third number be x plus 2. These three are consecutive numbers, three consecutive numbers. So let us consider be consecutive integer b. Let two consecutive integers be x and x plus 1. Two consecutive integer be x and x plus 1. Then first condition is what? The product of two consecutive positive integer is 306. That is, we take here product of these two numbers, that is x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. So we multiply every element in this bracket by x. So x into x, x square plus 1 into x, x is equal to 306. So we take this 306 left side, x square plus x minus 306 is equals to 0. So this polynomial p of x is equals to 0 form, and degree of given polynomial is 2. Therefore this is quadratic equation. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Therefore this is quadratic equation. Therefore this is quadratic equation. Then example number 3 is, the Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages is 3 years from the now will be 360. We would like to find the Rohan's present age. Here let we consider the present age of Rohan be x. So we write here, let present age of Rohan be x year. Let present age of Rohan be x year. So by using first condition is what? Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan mother is 26 years older than him. That is, we write the Rohan mother present age. Therefore the Rohan mother's present age, the Rohan mother present age be x plus 26, because Rohan mother is older than him. That is, if the Rohan age be x, then his mother age be x plus 26. X plus 26 here. After 3 years, that is, we add x plus 3, that is, we take here after 3 here Rohan age be x plus 3 after 3 years, that is, we add 3 in Rohan age. So after 3 years Rohan age be x plus 3. Yes. And after 3 years Rohan mother age B. Now Rohan mother age is x plus 26, and after 3 years means we add here 3. So Rohan mother age be x plus 29. 26 plus 3, 29. So after 3 year Rohan mother age be x plus 29. Then by using second condition, that is after 3 years from now will be 360. The product of their ages, by second condition, the product of their ages after 3 years from now will be 360. That is product of after 3 years, product of their ages be 360. That is we take here condition after 3 years, that is x plus 3. After 3 year Rohan age be x plus 3, and after 3 years Rohan's mother age be x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29. So product of their ages after 3 years be 360. So we take here bracket multiplication. First I take x and we multiply this x to this bracket, x plus 29 plus 3 into x plus 29 is equals to 360. So we multiply this bracket by x, then x into x, x square plus 29x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 29 into 3, 87 is equal to 360. So x square plus 29 plus 3, 32x plus 87. Here we change the sign of 360, that is minus 360 is equals to 0. That is x square plus 32x minus, we subtract 87 from 360, so we get 273 is equals to 0. So finally we get x square plus 32x plus 273 is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation because degree of given equation is 2. Degree of given equation is 2, that is p of x is equals to 0 form. Given polynomial is in the form of p of x is equals to 0 and degree of given polynomial is 2. Therefore this is a quadratic equation, and in general we write this quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So value of a is equals to 1, value of b is equal to 32, and value of c is equals to minus 273. Therefore this is quadratic equation